When color grading starts to feel like visual storytelling instead of editing, you know you're mastering the craft. How to explore color mood adjustments. Open Adobe Photoshop and import your image into a canvas around 2,000 pixels wide to maintain detail. Then convert the layer into a smart object for non-destructive flexibility. Add a color balance adjustment layer and slowly shift tones within shadows, midtones, and highlights to establish a specific mood, whether warm, cool, or cinematic. Reduce opacity so the change blends naturally, then apply a gradient map adjustment layer using subtle complementary colors to unify